We all want better content, faster. The secret isn't a new writer or tool, but a document you may be neglecting. Up to a third of your content budget might be wasted, not on writers, but on poor communication before they even start. This waste creates endless revisions, frustrated teams, and content that simply fails to perform. The fix is a strategic content brief, a blueprint for success, and a single source of truth for your team. So what specific parts turn a brief from a chore into a performance driver? We will now break them down. Before we address content quality, let's look at the immediate impact on your workflow. Pure efficiency. First, it drastically cuts revisions. Clear guidance means writers get it right the first time. Second, it stops scope creep. Defined boundaries keep the project focused and on budget. Third, it lifts writer productivity. Less time asking questions means more time creating value. These efficiencies make your content production scalable. You can increase output without losing quality. Briefs save time and money, yes, but how do they directly improve the content? It's about providing clarity. It all begins with the audience. The brief must define their pain points so the writer can genuinely connect. But even with a clear audience, many briefs fail. What's the one omission that guarantees unfocused content? We'll show you. Next, codify your brand voice. Don't just say, be professional. Provide examples so your entire team speaks with one consistent tone. Then, provide structure. An outline with required headings is a roadmap, guiding both the writer and the reader. Every piece of content needs a purpose. What should the reader do next? Define the goal and the exact CTA. This all sounds good, but what's the real difference? Let's compare a vague brief with a strategic one. A bad brief. Write 1,000 words on content marketing. The result is a generic article that helps no one. A good brief specifies keywords, search intent, and a full outline. This aligns content with SEO from the start. A great brief also shows top-ranking competitors and defines your unique angle to outperform them. It even suggests internal links to your pages and external links to authority sites, building your site's credibility. You've mastered the basics. Now let's elevate your briefs from good to exceptional with two advanced concepts. The first is adding guardrails. Explicitly state what the writer should avoid discussing to maintain focus. Remember our question? The costliest omission is combining a fuzzy goal with no guardrails. This forces writers to guess. The second concept is the brief's role with AI. AI tools need quality input to avoid producing garbage output. Your detailed brief is the quality human input. It supplies the strategy, context, and unique angles AI cannot invent. So, let's connect all these points. How do these parts combine into a powerful strategic system? The efficiency gains from fewer revisions give writers more time for creativity, guided by the brief's clear structure. That 33% budget waste from the start? It's the sum of unclear SEO goals, brand inconsistency, and no audience focus. This is how a brief stops being a task list and becomes the central document where your content strategy is executed. A writer empowered by a great brief builds trust, proves expertise, and creates content that supports business goals. The quality of your content is a direct reflection of the quality of your input. The brief is your highest impact input. It saves money, streamlines your process, guarantees brand consistency, and powers your writers to succeed. Look at your template. Does it just ask for a word count? Or does it provide the strategic blueprint needed to win? Stop seeing briefs as admin. Start seeing them as the strategic foundation of your content program. Your results will show it.